let me tell y'all what we're doing today. Today we're going to pull some planer boards. This is our first time trying it out. They look pretty good. So we've got 4 rods out with planer boards, 2 on the left side, 2 on the right side. Anywhere from 8 to 20 feet, kind of staggered to depths, just to try to see where the fish are. And then we've got 2 rods in the middle that have dragon sinkers on them. We just got them on the bottom, just bumping on the bottom. Got the trolling motor turned on. Currently going about a half mile an hour. We got bluegill heads and body sections on all these. We got some shad we might put on later. And yeah, we'll see. We're either going to catch some fish or make a big mess, or both. So we'll see what happens.
Let's have at it.
What if we got enough ice to put on these? They're trying to die.
Get some ice out of that cooler. Put them in a live well.
I'll give them some fresh water for a minute.
Right in her face.
No.
Uh-oh, Sarge. Camera on. Oh, he might let it go.
Me go? Oh.
He nailed it, son.
I saw it.
What do you mean insert card?
Insert card.
That's a pretty good sign, guys. We've been pulling for about, I don't know, 20 minutes, 25 minutes or something. I got a real good hit on this outside rod. He just didn't commit. He didn't hit hard enough to get hooked up.
Oh, okay. Okay. I wish I brought a hand.
Sarge?
Oh gosh. Oh yeah.
Got him.
He's there. Go. Come on.
Trying to bring him around the sides up. Get him on the boat. Try to bring him around the side. I don't think so. Ain't bad. Ain't bad. A little big. He's a fish. Right?
Number one with the planer board.
You grab that pole if you got a free hand or two.
You know what? We won't be able to tell whether we have these. Fish in. Well, first fish of the day, guys. About 30 minutes in. I'd say, what, 5 or 6 pounds probably?
Yeah, probably about 6 pounds.
That's pretty exciting. First time we've done this and we're having success, so I'll take it. Take them all day long. Twice. Here, hand that rod. Oh, watch out. Fish number 2, guys. Planer board. Do what? Fish number 2, guys. Sarge was trying to get that first reel set back in the water
Let me take a picture.
before we could ever get in the water. This one went down. He bit like a big one. He was rolling with it. I'd say he's probably 6-7 pound probably.
Let me take a picture. Awesome. Close up on the fish. Nice.
Two fish, guys. This might be a thing. This planer board thing might be a thing. This one was 12 feet.
Yeah, the one on the outside was 12. Or no,
Look at 12 to 16 foot range might be.
no, because I moved that one. That's 16-foot range.
Oh,
The one on the inside I moved was 12. It was on the outside.
no, this is the one I had deep because
Oh, was
these
it?
two in the middle's on the bottom. I had this in 20,
Okay, so 20.
16 to 20. Back up. Well, first off, guys, I want to apologize for the wind if you can hear that. We don't have our external mic and windsock on, so apologize for that. Kind of a last minute grab everything together and go fishing kind of deal, but these planer boards are a lot of work. But I'm telling you, first time we've ever used them, we've been in the water less than an hour and caught 2 fish. I don't care at this point if they're big ones or not. We prefer them to be big ones, but if they're not, you know, whatever. But we've got we got one on right here. Sarge, you're up. Fish number 3 on right here, boys. Look here. Or no, it's Laura's turn. Laura's turn right here.
Is this still on there?
Almost had 3 already, guys. Hook didn't set up on that one, but that's all right. I feel good about the rest of the day. We'll get us out. I feel like we're probably dragging that one over there. Thing wants to pull to the right all the time, don't it? Is that snake? Well, so far I'm going to give the planer boards a little better rating than the dragon sinkers because, as you could tell with that video there, that one didn't make it. It drug itself into something and got cut off. But we'll rig it back up and try it again. That's all you can do. And we've caught 2 and had another one hooked, and all 3 of them were in different depths of the water column. So.
I concur.
Hey, let me show y'all my house I'm having built while I'm out here fishing. Got the guy up there grading the yard out now. It ain't much, but you know, it's keeps me humble. .7 mile an hour. If we do this for another hour, we will have traveled 0.7 miles. Guarantee it. Here. Right here. Pick it up, Sarge. Look at that. Look at that.
Oh.
We're getting ready.
Hold up. Just hold him still. You're alright. You're alright. You're holding. Get up above that reel. There you go. You're good. One more time.
Good job. That's a fish you caught.
Look at there, girly. Good job.
8.2.
8.2 pounds. Good job.
All right, stand up here on this. Hold these
Bigger
grippers.
than the others too.
Here.
You want to hold his belly or just hang him down?
I'm just gonna hang him down.
You know?
Huh?
Bigger than the other two.
Take it sideways with me.
Yeah, well,
Sorry. Tell you what to do.
it's alright. Good fish. Good fish.
All right, guys, fish number 3. Of course, Laura would catch the biggest fish because that's what she does. We were just getting ready to turn around. The water was getting shallower than we had our bait set. Right before we're getting ready to pull everything in, we caught that one. So now we got all our rigs in. We're going to reset with fresh bait, head back down the lake.
Yeah, oh gosh.
I'm gonna guess be quick with that net.
I don't know too much about
I
that.
ain't. You pulling it from there. I ain't seen him yet. Let him play himself out a little bit.
Biggest fish of the year right here for sure.
Yeah. Let him play himself out a little bit here. He ain't ready. Oh, don't go back there. It's a good fish here.
So third.
Good fish. Come in at an angle. To be honest with you, I ain't doing much with him right now. He's doing what he's wanting to do.
Fucking tight.
Sold on these things. I just happened to look around. That thing was gone.
You can't help but panic. They
No.
do the same thing I do.
Oh,
Got your Florida around something stupid.
go. He ain't ready yet. This live will be bigger than 30, dude. I don't know for sure, but he's still pulling drag. Except the fish. Yeah. You ready? Let's see what he'll do. I'm afraid to hit this too much, man. It never hurts to ask. Hey, chick, we got a good one. I'm serious. I can't even get him to the surface just yet. Come up here. Oh, I think you think with this fish right now. Drag. Really wish it wasn't because pretty good fish, boys. Yeah, that's a good fish. Still don't think we're ready. Hey, it's a good thing we got that net. He's in the boat, boys. He's in the boat. It's a good fish. $21 and a half.
Heck yeah.
Heck yeah, boys and girls.
No, where's my phone at?
Nanny phone.
You said 21 and a half?
Yeah.
It's good when you got back up. Make you feel.
You got him?
Yep.
Got a good look at him? See you, big guy.
All right, guys, back at the ramp. We're going to load the boat. We would fish a little bit longer. We're going to try to get up in the morning and shoot a couple turkeys in the face. But yeah, first time pulling planer boards. We caught 4 fish. One good one, 21.5 pound. We'll take it. See you next time.